Oh man, it's really coming down outside. I'm soaked. Yeah, I know. I should have checked the forecast. It was such a beautiful morning, though. I'm cold. God damn it. Can you, let me tell? Huh? You drew a bath for me. That's so sweet. Look at you, always looking out for me. Let me get undressed and I'll hop in. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's good. This is just what I needed. Oh, Lord. Thanks for this. I'd hate to catch a cold and miss work just because I've got to get an umbrella. So, want to get in with me? There's space for both of us. Oh, you got so red. Aw, you're so adorable. Don't worry though, I'm just teasing. Oh, jeez, that was loud. Huh, I guess this storm isn't stopping for a while. Okay then, if that's the case, I'm going to dry off. I'll see you in bed, okay? Hey, are you alright? No, because I know you. When you're curled up on a couch like that, it usually means you're upset. It's the storm, isn't it? Well, I get it. It's been a while since it's been this bad outside. Here, let me get a blanket. I don't want you catching a cold either. Better? Good. Now come on. You can snuggle up to me if you want. There we go. Get cozy. You're safe here. Now, let's work on some breathing exercises. I think that'll help you relax. Now I'm going to breathe in as deep as I can. And exhale. That's right. Through your nose. Focus on your diaphragm. Again. Mm-hmm. Now one more time. See? This always calms me down when I get stressed out. Oh, do you want to hear about my day? Well, I'm sure you've noticed me working later and later these days. I had so much to do for that really annoying client. I guess maybe that's why I forgot my umbrella. I know I usually look carefree and relaxed, but I suppose work was making me anxious. It's been on my mind all week. Of course I get anxious. Breathing just like this always helps me when I do. Hmm. Now that I think about it, I think I didn't show this side of me because I wanted to look strong for you. I thought it might have been what you needed to see, so that you wouldn't feel so anxious all the time. But now, I feel like it just made you not want to come to me when you feel like this. I know, it's just a silly little breathing exercise, but it's often the little things that give us comfort. A warm blanket, a crackling fire, a loving embrace. Mwah. Why don't you try to get some sleep? This storm's gonna go on all night, and I don't want you left alone. So get cozy. And remember, I'm here for you. Always.